Hey guys, what's going on? So I have my 2008 Kia Sorento here in my driveway, and in this video I'm going to show you how to check the power steering fluid. So the way to check your power steering fluid level is you can come around the side, and the side of it is see-through, and you can see where my brake fluid level is at. I'll wiggle it around so it'll move for you. And there's a minimum mark right there, and there's also a maximum mark. And the maximum mark is right about there. You can kind of see it. So let me see if we can. There it is right there. You can see it a little bit better now. So I'm a little bit above the minimum. I'll probably add a little bit to it and bring it up to the maximum mark, and that's right there. And the way to add power steering fluid is to loosen the cap right there. You can put a little in, and as you add a little in, watch the side of the container, and you can see, the level rise as you add a little bit of power steering fluid in there, and then you'll know when you're okay when it hits the top full mark. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you guys have any other questions, leave a comment, and I will reply back to you.